Hi friends, let us solve this problem. We have under root y minus 2 plus again under root 2y minus 5 plus under root y plus 2 plus 3 under root 2y minus 5 equals 7 root 2. Right. So the hint here is there is this under root 2y minus 5 repeating in both the places. Right. In this kind of problems, we should try to make this inside part a perfect square. How do we make this a perfect square? Right. We should, let's see how. Right, let's take this part y minus 2 plus under root 2y minus 5. So we have to make this a perfect square where under root 2y minus 5, let's say this is a. Some a plus something whole square. Let us try to achieve that. So let's say this is a under root 2y minus 5. What will be the square? A square will be 2y minus 5. Let us try to modify this y minus 2 in such a way that we get 2y minus 5. What do we do? Let's say y minus 2. Let's make it 2y first. Then what do you do? Let's multiply everything and divide by 2. Right? Divide this expression. We want 2y minus 5 out of this. Right? Let's multiply everything by 2 and divide by 2. Right, then it becomes 2y minus 4 plus 2 under root 2y minus 5 by 2. We now want 2y minus 5. We have 2y minus 4. Let's add, let's add let's make add 1 and subtract 1. Right, 2y minus 4 plus 1 minus 1. Right, then this becomes 2y minus 5 plus 1. Right, we are just adding and subtracting. Firstly, we are multiplying, dividing. Now we will add and subtract. 2y minus 5 plus 1. This is 2y minus 4 only, right? This is written this way. Then plus 2 under root 2y minus 5 by 2. Now if you see, this is a square, right? If this is a under root 2y minus 5, if this is a, then this is a square plus b square, b is 1, plus 2ab, 2 into under root 2y minus 5, right? A is under root 2y minus 5, right? This is a square, then this is 2ab, right? What does that mean? This part has actually become under root 2y minus 5 plus 1 whole square, right? This 2 is automatically there. Right. So this entire inside part, we have converted it into a perfect square. Of course, some by 2 has come, which doesn't, it is fine for us. Similarly, let us try to convert this one now. Y plus 2 plus 3 under root 2y minus 5. Obviously, first we have to convert this into 2y minus 5. So let's do the same thing. Y plus 2 plus 3 under root 2y minus 5. Let's multiply and divide by 2 to make it 2y. Right. So it becomes 2y plus 4 plus 2 times 3 under root 2y minus 5 by 2. Now what we want? 2y minus 5 we want, right? Here 2y plus 4 is there. We want 2y minus 5. So let's do minus 5 plus 5, right? Then this becomes what? 2y minus 5 plus 9, right? Plus 5 is 4 plus 5, 9. Plus 2 into 3 into under root 2y minus 5. Now again, see, this is a square. This is a. If this is a, 2y minus 5 is a under root. Then this is b square. B square is 9. That means 2, this is b square, this is a square plus b square plus 2a and b. B is 3, right? So what is this? Then this entire expression has become under 2y minus 5 plus 3 whole square, right? By 2 again. Again we have by 2. So now this expression, these two inside parts we have simplified. So let's take the overall root also. Then root of this one will become root of this one. This square and that root will cancel, but there is a 2 here, so it will become by under root. This will become root 2, right? We'll be left with one root. Similarly, in this expression, this root and this square will cancel, but denominator will have a root 2. That root 2, if we send it this side, then it becomes root 2 into root 2, which is 2, 7 into 2, 14. Right, that is what we have done. So right side will become 14, left side will become this one, under root 2y minus 5 plus 1, which is this one, and under root 2y minus 5 plus 3. Right. Then let us still simplify. 1 plus 3 is 4, 14 minus 4 is 10. So, and this is 2 under root 2y minus 5 is 10. That means under root 2y minus 5 is 5. Right. 10 by 2 is 5. That means 2y minus 5 is 5 square, which is 25. 2y is 30, y is 15. This is the final answer. Right, guys? It's such a simple problem. Just that we should know the trick of converting this inside portion into a perfect square. And how do we convert? To convert the coefficient, to take the correct coefficient, and what are the ways to convert? Either multiply and divide by the same number, or add and subtract the same number. We use these simple operations. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.